Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a boating license in New York. So this is very helpful because if you want to legally operate a motorized boat or a personal watercraft in New York, you need to complete a boating safety course first. So the good news here is the process is really simple and you can even do it online. So the first step here is to choose New York State Parks approved boating safety course. So based on the source, you can take the course online and it says the course is official, state approved, and open even if you are not a New York resident. It also says that you must be at least 10 years old to take the online course. So once you register, the next step is to complete the course and pass the exam. The source breaks it down very simply. First, you register, then you finish the course, take the test, and after passing, you can download your instant certification. So the course covers the important basics like navigation rules, safety equipment, emergency preparation, and New York boating laws. So this helps you understand how to stay safe and follow the rules while out on the water. So after that, make sure that you keep your certificate with you when boating. So the source explains that New York law requires boaters to carry proof of certification while operating a boat or a personal watercraft. It also explains that this certificate is often called a boating license, even though it is officially a boating safety certificate. So, one important thing here to remember is that New York now requires all operators of motorized boats to have the certificate, and anyone using a personal watercraft like a jet ski also needs it. So before going out on the water, it's very important to make sure that part is already done. So keep it simple. The process is pick an approved course, register, complete the lessons, pass the exam, download your certification, and carry it with you when you go boating. So that's the basic way to get your boating license in New York. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.